that the Minister may extend only twice. I've read it to you. The Minister may, with the approval of Cabinet, in a notice in the Gazette, renew, reinstate, validate the term of office of the Administrative Unit Councils for a further period not exceeding 180 days at a time, which means at a time is not the same as twice. It simply means I cannot go beyond 180 days. We did it on the 10th of July, and the 180 days expire on the 5th of January. So, at a time means I have the mandate, the power in the law, once again, to do it if the circumstances prevail. The Minister of Finance, the Minister of Finance had indicated that they had identified some money for the Electoral Commission to conduct the elections. But as I speak now, and have been in touch with the Electoral Commission, this money has not been released to them. And this compounds not just the resource called funding, also the resource called time and materials. Time because we are in a political multi-party dispensation, and the parties will need adequate time to prepare their grassroots structures to participate in the elections.
Ekikulu kye bakola kyekyo, obululu bwa kyeyamaani buba butumenyera na bwereere.